Are you capturing and missing your leads which you are capturing from Facebook lead ads? Then this video is for you. Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to see Facebook lead ads to Odoo CRM automation. Let's suppose I'm running a digital marketing agency and I'm collecting all my leads using Facebook lead ads. Now I want that whenever I capture a new lead, it should be automatically added to my Odoo CRM. Doing this manually will consume a lot of my time, and that's why I've completely automated this entire process using Pabbly Connect. Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which requires no coding or programming skills. Here I just need to build connection between Facebook lead ads and Odoo. With the help of Pabbly Connect, I'm going to build this connection in such a manner that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead from Facebook lead ads, it is automatically added as a lead in my Odoo CRM. Now if you want to learn the step-by-step process, then let me take you all to my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how in seconds you can add your Facebook lead ads to your CRM. Here I'm going to build connection between Facebook lead ads and Odoo using Pabbly Connect. So this is the landing page of Pabbly, and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com in your browser. On the top right corner, you have two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on the sign in, and if you are a new user, click on the sign up for free, and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. Now you can use these 100 tasks and check whether it fits your business or not, and when you feel ready to upgrade, you can use this code SHUBPC to get maximum benefits on your Pabbly purchase. Now here, as I'm an existing user, I'll click on the sign in. And here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. I'll click on this Pabbly Connect, access now. And here it has taken me towards this dashboard where I will be able to find all my workflows over here and all the folders which I have created over here. If you want to create a new folder, simply click on this plus icon, and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow, for which I need to click on this create workflow, and I need to select my workflow builder. We have this new beta, which is modern, faster and more flexible one, and then we have this classic, which is a stable and a familiar approach. I'm going to select this new beta, and then I'll name this workflow as Facebook lead ads to Odoo CRM, and now I'm going to select my folder. Now these are the folders which have been created. I'll select it as Facebook lead automation and then click on create. Here workflow created successfully. Now here, as soon as I click on create, this box has appeared in front of me where it is asking me to add the trigger. Now here trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger step in a workflow, but as many as action steps as you want. Here in this workflow, I want that whenever I receive a new lead from my Facebook lead ads, it should be automatically added to my Odoo CRM, which means whenever I'm going to receive a new lead from Facebook lead ads, this complete workflow here will get triggered, because trigger basically activates or triggers any workflow. Here in my trigger application, I will be taking Facebook lead ads, and following this trigger application in my action application, I will be taking Odoo. So here in my trigger application, let me quickly take Facebook lead ads. And in my trigger event, I'm going to select it as new lead instant and then click on connect. If you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection, then click on this connect with Facebook lead ads. Now here I've already logged in my Facebook account, and that's why I want to continue with the same account. So I'm going to click on this continue as that particular account. Now here it is always advisable to keep your applications logged in for the easy authorization. And here you see connection created successfully, which means Facebook lead ads is connected with Pabbly Connect, and now I need to enter this page name and the lead gen form. So here this is the page by the name Digital Dynamics, which I have created, with the help of which I will be running all the advertisements. So I am going to select the page as Digital Dynamics, and then I need to enter this lead gen form. To get this lead gen form, I am going to open Meta for developers, and you can visit this simply by typing developers.facebook.com. After landing towards this page, you have to go towards the developer tools, and then we will be landed towards the developer tools page, from where we have to search for lead add RTO debug tool. So if I scroll down, I have this option of this. I'm going to open this, where I will be landed towards this lead ads testing tool, from where I have to select the page and the form. I'll select the page as Digital Dynamics, and the form, you can see all the forms which I have created here. So here let's suppose I want to use this DD lead form. So here I'm I'm going to go back towards my workflow and select the same form, DD lead form. Now over here, the page and the lead gen form are selected. If you want to collect the response from all of the lead gen form, you can simply select it as all lead gen form. I specifically want to get the response from this DD lead form, so I have selected that. After selecting the page and the lead gen form, you simply have to click on save and send test request, and you will see it will change to waiting for webhook response. So now I need to do a test submission, and in order to do this test submission, in order to capture the webhook response, I'm going to open this lead ads testing tool and create a lead or generate a lead or do a form submission here. To do this, first I'm going to delete the lead and then I'm going to refresh the page. Now when you will be running a live campaign, you need not do this again and again. Now as the page is refreshed, I have to select the page and the form again. Here the page is digital dynamics and the form is this. I'm going to click on this preview form. This page has opened in front of me, or the form has opened in front of me, where I'm going to enter some dummy details. Now here, as soon as I generate this lead or click on the submit, I should capture all that details here in this workflow, and this is going to show us the connection setup which we have created is working fine or not. So here I'm going to enter some dummy details. I'm going to enter my name as latest. I'll enter my last name as lead, the email address as latestlead@pabblyconnect.com. And I'll enter my phone number as this. I'm going to click on this continue and then I'll submit this. Here, as soon as the form submission is done, I should capture all that response in my workflow. I'll open my workflow and check whether I have received the response here or not. So here it's waiting for webhook response and we have captured the response 2 seconds ago. So the name is latest lead, email address is latestlead@pabblyconnect.com, and this is the phone number. Here, as soon as I've done this form submission, I have received all the same details in this workflow, and this shows the connection setup which we have created is working fine. And now whenever there will be new lead, I will start capturing that response here in this workflow. Now moving on towards the next step. Whenever I receive a new lead, I want to add that to my CRM. So here I'm going to take my action application as Odoo. In my action application, I'm going to select it as create lead and then click on connect. If you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection. And now to make this connection, I need to enter all these details. The first one is that I have to enter the domain. Now, if I open my Odoo CRM account, on the top, I have this link. So if we copy this entire link and paste it over here, here it is written that I have to keep the domain till odoo.com. So I'm going to remove the rest of the things from here. Then we have the database. To get this database, I'm going to click on this icon, and here I have created the database. So I'll click on my databases, and this is the database which I'm going to use. So I'm going to enter Pabbly 2. Now I need to enter this email address and the API key. To get this API key, I'll go back towards my Odoo account. From here, I have to go towards my preferences, go towards the security, and then simply click on this add API key. Here I have entered my password. I'm going to click on this confirm password, and I need this for automation. So I will enter this in the description and then click on this generate key. A new key is provided to me, which I'm going to copy, paste that over here. And here I've entered my email address. I'm simply going to click on this save, and you will see Odoo will be connected to Pabbly Connect. So here let's wait, and the connection is created. So here Odoo is connected with Pabbly Connect. Now I need to enter these details. Now over here, I am not going to enter these details like this manually. Instead, I'm going to use a method called mapping, which means I'm going to enter the data from the previous response. Now, if you're an existing user, you already know about the importance of mapping. But if you are a new user, here mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in this field. Manually entering the data will make this field static, and the information will not change even when you receive the new response. So what we have to do, we have to click on the field. We have to go towards this Facebook lead ads, the previous response we have received, and then enter the name, which is latest lead. The contact name will be latest, and then I'm going to enter the email address as this latestlead@pabblyconnect.com, the phone number as this, the partner name, street, city. These fields are not required ones, so I can skip this. But if you have received the response, you can enter following the same process of mapping. In the type, I'm going to select it as lead. The priority will be medium. I'm going to skip these fields. Now over here, if I manually enter these details, this field will become static, and every time I receive a new response, the result will not change. So as to keep these fields dynamic, we have entered by mapping it instead of manually entering it. So I hope this mapping method is clear to you and why we use it. I'm going to click on the save and send test request. Let's wait for the response here. And here I have received the response. Let me open my Odoo CRM. I'm going to refresh this once. So here I have already created this latest lead, which means as soon as I've executed the workflow, the name was latest lead, email address was latestlead@pabblyconnect.com, and this is the phone number. Now to summarize, we took Facebook lead ads as a trigger application where we made connection with Pabbly Connect. We received the new lead, then we wanted to add that to Odoo. We took Odoo as action application, made connection with Pabbly Connect, mapped all the required details, executed this workflow, and finally created this lead in my Odoo CRM. So this is how this automation workflow is going to run, and here we have successfully created automation between Facebook lead ads and Odoo using Pabbly Connect. I have attached the link of this workflow in the description so that you can check this out, and you can stay tuned to our channel for learning more such interesting automation. If you plan to upgrade, do not forget to use the code SHOWPC to get maximum benefits on your Pabbly purchase. I hope you liked this video and understood this video very well. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Also, if you find our videos helpful, do share it with your friends and like and subscribe to our channel.